Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to make your iPhone louder. So guys, in iPhone, there are few settings which will keep your iPhone volume purposely low. And there are few settings which can enhance your iPhone volume. So in this video, let's see how to make your iPhone louder with these settings here. So here talking about the first step, do one thing, go to your settings. In settings, open sounds and haptics. In that, there is an option called headphone safety. Open that. Once you open that, you will see an option called reduce loud sounds. So by default, it is enabled on all the devices, all the iPhones. So just go ahead and disable that in your iPhone. After this, so next time whenever there is any loud sounds in iPhone, it will not lower automatically in iPhone. The next trick we can talk about is a Spotify music application. If you don't know, Spotify application has its own volume levels. It means no matter how loud or how higher the volume of your iPhone is, it will play. The music from Spotify will play as per its own volume level. For that, do one thing, go to your settings. Okay, first of all, open a application. Okay, open Spotify. In that, go to settings. In settings, open option called playback. And in playback, scroll down and here you will see an option about your volume levels. That is your loud, normal, quiet. For example, let's assume if your Spotify volume level is set to quiet, okay, and no matter how loud or higher the volume level of your iPhone, it will play in a quiet mode only. So here, just go ahead and set to loud. So next time any music from Spotify application will be played in a loud music or a loud level. The third trick is very proven, very popular one, and it is very working as well. For that, do one thing, go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and open application or option called music. Open music and here you will see one option called EQ. Okay, open that. In that there are multiple options given to you. From them choose late night. And guys, trust me, any music playing on your iPhone, choose it. It will automatically will be louder as compared to earlier. So this method always works. So go to settings, music, EQ, and here option called late night should be chosen. Okay, surely your iPhone music will be louder as per my experience. And the last trick you can try is about your custom audio or headphone audio setup. For that, do one thing, go to settings. In settings, open accessibility. In that, scroll down and open an option called audio and visual. And here you will see an option called headphone accommodation. Open that and here enable the headphone accommodation. So here you can set your own custom audio setup, and here the soft sounds will be boosted like yours slightly, moderate or stronger. So just come down, okay, and here there are multiple tone audio available for you options like your balance tone, vocal range, brightness. Set to your balance tone, okay, and scroll down and there is a slider, okay, like a slight, moderate, strong. If it says that soft sounds will be boosted slightly, moderately and strongly. So just slide it to a strong one and here it will be boosted. Any soft sound will be boosted on your iPhone headphones. Honestly, personally, I didn't try this yet, but there are many sources saying that this works in iPhone, making an iPhone sound louder. So I hope it works for you as well. And guys, yes, that's it about these solutions or this trick. I hope you liked them. And if you like them, please give a like to the video as well. And please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.